the best job you can. You try to take care of people. You work your ass off. You bust your nut sacks till the nut sacks blue, and it doesn't pay off. It really just doesn't pay off. You know, the best thing to do is just do the Earl Shives quickie job. You know, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, I really don't. Should I stay in business or should I just go ahead and close it down after these next 4 jobs? You know, what's your angle on that? Do the Earl Shives quickie job, get it out of your shop, but charge them, you know, Boyd Coddington prices.
It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
We're talking about quitting, dude.
Quitting?
Closing it down or quitting. What do you think? You think I ought to go ahead and just retire early?
No, not if you can do work like this.
Okay.
Look how many people will be disappointed.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fingerprints on it.
So the owner has to finish it out, but we did our part. You know what I'm saying, Tom?
Did you do the paint?
Yeah.
You did that
No,
paint?
Earl Shives did that.
Oh.
I took it. You know Earl Shives, right?
No.
You never heard of Earl Shives?
No.
What about makeup?
I don't know anything about this stuff. I just know
Okay.
it's a pretty car.
Okay. Yeah. It's disgusting. It's a disgusting joke is what it is. Okay, let me tell you the situation here. Okay, let me go ahead and tell you what's going on here. We delivered the car, okay? We went all the way to the guy's house. Who am I talking? I'm talking about Nitpick Norm. Okay, there's a reason we call him Nitpick Norm, okay? All right? And I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna show you why we call him Nitpick Norm. Okay, I'm gonna show you why here in a second. Swing mine this way. Can you push it? Come on. Come on. There you go. Okay, tell me when it's off.
It's off.
Hold it right there. Hold it. Go over there and hold that. Alright. Okay, you just hold that corner. I'm going to push this. Ready? Yeah. Hold it. Hold it. How's it looking? Push yours. Push yours.
I'm doing it.
Hold it.
Don't worry about mine.
Oh, I want it right in the middle. Push yours. Push yours my way. Okay, hold it. Hang on, baby. Come forward that one. No, the fucking way. Back it up. 1, 2, 3, go. Needs to be pushed over that way. Okay, hold it. Hold it. Damn. Now fucking roll that way. Push. Well, we get this piece of shit out of here. That's alright. Hang on.
I'm not doing nothing. It's rolling back.
Go. looking at here is going to be our first complete paint job out of SWR&C MOAB. I'm not happy, okay? I'm not happy about it because I'm actually using my bay to do the painting in. And if we look over there, there's our infamous, what do we call that, bag full of lead. Money spent wrongly. What I really should have done, I should have went ahead and just got a paint booth, put it in here and been done with it. I could have put the exhaust out the wall instead of the ceiling, and we'd have ourselves a paint booth and everything would be handy dandy. But we didn't do that, so it's time to move on. So back to the situation. This is actually our first overall paint job. Now we've already painted a bunch of pieces on this, and we are down to the nitty gritty where we're painting the body. And the body work came out really good. All right, I think that it came out, you know, not super excellent. I'm not going to say that this is a concourse restoration because it's not. I'm not going to say that this is perfect body work because it's not. The parts that we used on this car were junkyard junk. It was an extreme situation. Doing all the body work to the doors and the fenders. That's what the owner requested. That's what he got. So the way that I'm doing this, I put plastic down on the floor so I don't get overspray on my concrete. Seems like it's working out pretty good. Like I said, I've already painted a bunch of pieces. And we got our exhaust fan, which is 8,750 CFM. So that thing sucks pretty good. Does a really good job. The issue that we have is when it's a real windy day, you can see dust flows in through the doors. So what I did last time is I actually had this door over here open, all right, to get a positive suction. I had that door open, and then of course it was sucking the air through here and then down. So that was eliminating a lot of the dust situation. We didn't get a lot of dust in the parts that I painted. Matter of fact, we didn't get any dust, so it worked out pretty good. Hopefully it's going to come out nice. I don't like doing this, but we really don't have any choice. No choice at all. Well, we got the black stripes painted on our hood. And what I'm doing now, I'm just sanding down these edges. I'm using 400 to do that. Basically removing the tape lines. So we got the black painted yesterday, and we're going to be painting this car today. Today's Sunday, and it's a good day to paint. And all I'm doing right here, see what I did is I put the black on, then I went ahead and put some Intercoat clear on top of it to seal it. So when I put the tape on it, the tape won't peel black paint off. So now I can go ahead and take this off. I'll tape all the black off. And then we'll be ready to paint the yellow. So actually this is the very first paint job out of SWR&C MOAB that we are producing. And we're hoping it's going to come out really nice. By the looks of the way the black went down on the hood, it seems like everything's going to work out perfect. And if we look at the car, you can see it's already taped off and ready for paint. Well, I walked out here this morning, the sun was hitting just in the right spot, and look what we found. We found a dent in the brand new quarter panel that was replaced that isn't supposed to get any body work done to it. Am I supposed to leave the dent on the quarter panel and say, hey buddy, I didn't see it. It's a brand new quarter panel. I didn't see it till after I painted it. Should I do that? Should I? No, I shouldn't do that. That's not just ethical, but that's not honesty either. So we went ahead and we are fixing the dent. Now, we're going to paint this car today. This car will be painted today. It's Sunday. I got out here at 6 o'clock this morning. I have been working on this car. We worked on it for 3 days, busting ass, getting it prepped, sanded, and ready. And then I wake up in the middle of the night, shocked, jumped up out of bed and said, oh shit, Because before we paint the yellow car yellow, this is yellow, it's going to be a giant yellow machine, I had to paint the black. So of course at 3:15 a.m. this morning, I'm laying in my bed and I'm thinking, motherfucker, I gotta paint that black before I can paint the yellow. I got out here at 6 o'clock, couldn't get to sleep all night, been up since 3 o'clock, worried about black paint being painted. It's done. It's a done deal, and we will be painting the yellow. It is now 9:21, November 1st, Sunday, a.m., and yellow paint will be poured on this big car. I don't have money to finish my paint booth building out. The coronavirus has taken it to the toll on overpricing everybody worldwide, not just Americans, everybody. It is an excuse. It's the biggest excuse in diabolical history of America, or should I say the world, of time, to say we can jack our prices up as high as we want to because there's a shortage. There's a shortage. Every time you turn around, there's a shortage on something. Just recently, me and the body shop girl went and bought a box of cellophane. Cellophane! It was $3 to $4 higher than normal. The excuse was, there's a shortage of cellophane. There is no cellophane. This is it. So she had to pay that much more. Has anybody been to a restaurant lately to go out to eat, to take your family out for a nice evening and enjoy a enjoyable meal? Don't go. Don't. The food is lousy and the prices are outrageous. We are now paying anywhere from $10 to $17 for a hamburger, a piece of meat, and 2 pieces of bread. Because of the coronavirus, bitch. Because the excuse. That's what it should be called, the excuse. But I'm not bitching and complaining. My main concern and my goal today is to get this thing painted. Whether it's in here, outside, or in a paint booth, it doesn't matter. This car has got to be done today! Here's what time it is. And that's AM, of course. So, you can kind of see where we're at here. I don't want to turn my lights on. And I'm going to tell you why. It's because I have neighbors. Because this is actually a neighborhood that we live in here. Yeah. So, we're going to go over here. Let's see if I can get some light. I don't want to run into this car that's sitting right there. Alright, we're going to get a flashlight. Get a flashlight. Alright, here we go, right here. Okay, so let's get a flashlight. And then that way we'll be able to at least see something. There we go, okay. Okay, so, yeah, we don't want to disturb our neighbors because we know they're sleeping. See, I'm an early riser. I get up early. And, okay, there they are right there. That's what I need. Alright, I need that. Camera. See, that's another issue out here. It's the dust. But, you know, just to finish this off, I wanted to show everybody that the car's painted. It was an all-day job. We got done around, I don't know, 7 o'clock last night. And it really came out beautiful. It's nice. It's a big car. We got 4 more to go. 4 more. 4 more cars. really got to make our mind up on what we're going to do here. I think that I'm pushing my limits. You know, when I built this place, when we first bought this place, it was 5 years ago. 5. So 5 years ago, I was 53. And I was excited and energetic. I'm not saying I'm not that now, okay? You're getting me wrong. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, you know, 5 years ago, going on 6, was a whole different ball of wax, a whole different situation. Building this place was very exciting and enjoyable. I've done a lot of work to it. Everything but put the structure up. But, you know, I didn't think it was going to take this long. I really didn't. I just really don't know what's going to happen. We'll have to wait and see. Maybe I'm just depressed and a little bit upset. Like I was telling you yesterday, I've never been to the doctors as much as I have right here. I got to go back to the doctors for that. I got to go back to the doctors for that right there. And then this hand now. This hand at nighttime is starting to bother me. So do I got to get the carpal tunnel surgery on that wrist right there as well? I really don't know. But I just really don't know.